We've never been more connected. And yet, we've never felt so alone. Every night, millions of you swipe, text, hook up, hoping to feel something, anything that feels like love. But what we find is emptiness. You smile for the pictures. You say, I love you because it feels good in the moment. But when you lie awake at 3 a.m., you feel it, that hollow space inside you, like love isn't what it used to be. What if I told you it's not your fault? What if I told you it's by design? Modern love was never built to make you whole, it was built to keep you wanting. I'll admit it, I used to think love was the one thing that would fix me, that once I found them, the emptiness would stop. But every relationship I fell into only made it worse. We clung to each other out of loneliness, not love. We posted pictures to prove to the world and to ourselves that we were happy, but inside, I was still aching. This isn't just my story, it's yours too. You can feel it when they stop texting back. You can feel it when the silence between you gets longer. You can feel it when you realize you'd rather scroll through strangers' lives than look your partner in the eye. And maybe you've even wondered, why does love feel like this now? Why does it hurt so much, yet mean so little? The truth is brutal. Modern love is fragile by design. Zygmunt Bauman called it liquid love, a love that flows fast, never solidifies, and evaporates just as quickly. We've turned people into products. Swipe left, swipe right, trade up, replace, ghost. We don't commit because what if someone better is just one message away? But deep down, you know, this isn't what you want. You crave something real, but real love requires risk. It requires time, and we live in a world that fears both. So we settle for instant gratification instead, short term highs, long term emptiness, and we call that love. You see, we live in a culture that sells independence as the ultimate goal. You're told you don't need anyone, that love is just a bonus, that feelings make you weak. Eric Fromm warned us decades ago, love isn't something you find, it is something you build. It takes work, patience, maturity. But our world teaches the opposite. We're taught to consume, not to care, to win, not to nurture. And so, we enter relationships not as lovers, but as negotiators, always keeping score, always afraid to lose, always keeping one foot out the door. No wonder it feels so lonely. Look at the old black and white photos of your grandparents, the kind of love that lasted decades. It wasn't perfect, but it was real. Now look around today. How many people do you know who are truly happy in love? How many relationships do you see that feel deep, not just loud? This isn't nostalgia, it's a warning. Somewhere along the way, we stopped believing in enduring love. We traded depth for convenience, and the worst part, we've started to believe this is just how love is: disposable, transactional, lonely. But here's the question: are you willing to live like this? Are you willing to keep pretending that the endless swiping, the shallow games, the empty hookups are enough? Because there's another way. It starts with you choosing depth over ease, choosing honesty over games, choosing to love even when it's hard. That's the shift no one